Here I've got MEIZU M8 Lite, and let me show you how to remove and add Google account on the following device. So at first make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi. I am connected, so we can start the process. Let's open the settings at first, then open accounts and sync. And here, as you can see, we are logged in with HardReset.Info account. Just click here, and then if you would like to remove it, tap on more icon and select remove account. And if you really want to remove this account with all its data like mails, contacts and other related information, just tap on remove account. Click on OK to confirm and then enter your password. And that's it. As you can see, it's no longer connected with your MEIZU, and you can add a new one. So to do it smoothly, open accounts and sync again, click on add account and select obviously Google. Now it's time to enter email address or phone number, whichever is connected with your Google account. You can also create a new one if you don't have account yet, but I will log in with my email address, and it's HardReset.Info 1@gmail.com, and then click on next. It's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, click on next, right here. Okay, so one more time. And now just read Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. And if you do agree with all the conditions, all the information there, just tap on I agree. And that's it. As you can see, you just activated your Google account. To finish it, click on accept. And from now on, your Google account is connected with MEIZU M8 Lite. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can add and remove Google account on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.